Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine. It's a 220 volt Euro machine. You can see the 220 volt attachment we have here. And this machine had reset the breaker inside the machine, and so we set it back, and it's working great. Nice and hot. So sorry about my finger in the camera there. Just trying to figure out how to lift the lever and hold the camera. Always a challenge with the Pavoni. One-handed. Mark's gonna hold it for me. Thank you, Mark. See, we get a nice shot of espresso. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. There was a tiny leak coming from the steam here, and I just tightened it quickly with a wrench. But otherwise, the machine's now the machine is functioning great. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.